I am Professor M.A. Badgujar, NSS Program Officer of Shed Jain Paliwala College, Pali. My college is affiliated to University of Mumbai. Since the lockdown has declared by central government on 24th March, so from that date, all country being stopped totally, all the activities being stopped. But during this period, the NSS volunteers of our college doing very good social work. They are distributing some face mask to the peoples. They are also distributing pani bottles and biscuits packets to the peoples who are moving on highways, traveling on highways. These peoples are going to home by walking. So very drastic situation. But in this situation, the NSS volunteers of our Jain Paliwala College are involved in social activities. So I would like to show here some photographs of the activities of the students. In first photograph, the NSS volunteer Diksha Jain distributing the face masks to the lady from village. In the second photograph, the Ankita Deshmukh distributing the face mask to the Adivasi lady, tribal lady. In the third photo, our NSS Ladies Program Officer, Professor Dipti Lakhimde, and student of NSS of our college are involved in the distribution of masks to the peoples in Pali village. Our NSS PO, Professor Ankush Soni, is also involved in the distribution of drinking water and some food material to the needy peoples who are traveling on highways by walking. So I would like to express my sincere gratitude to my principal YN Mahajan sir, who has given lot of cooperation and guidance to us. He has always motivated to our volunteers for doing such activities. Thank you.